There are two main concepts in pointer. One is pointer arithmetic and how to use the pointers to access the elements of an array. Okay, so here pointer arithmetic, it allows the pointer to jump to the next memory location in order to access the element present in that location. For example, we have an array A of 5. It has 5 elements. Okay, initially let the number 10 is stored in the address 1000. What data type it is? Integer. So next element is stored in 1004. Next is stored in address 1008. Similarly 4 bytes are added and then they are stored in the respective location. Now we have a pointer star p that points to the address of the first element. So here star p, in general, if we give the pointer name, what we will retrieve? We will get address. If we give star before it, we will get the value stored in that address. That is the key point. Okay, so here star p, it will give you the star. If you see star, it will give you the value. So star p means it will give you the first value 10. Now p plus 1, that means from 1000 we are adding 1. It doesn't become 1001 because we are adding pointer. So it doesn't become 1001. Instead 4 bytes are added to it because integer data type size is 4. So p plus 1 will become, from 1004 is added, so it becomes 1004. So it jumps to the next memory location, that is 20. And here star is there, which means the value is printed. So what is the value stored in that address? 20. Again p plus 2. Now another 4 is added. So it moves to the next memory location. And here we have star. So the value stored in that memory location is 30. So in general, p plus I is, p is the base address and this is the index. So from the base, that means location, it is jumped. So we will get address, and if we give star to it, we will get the value stored in that address. That's all. So this is the key point. That means here in general, if you are not using pointers, how we will retrieve the value 30? A of 0, A of 1 and A of 2. So A of 2, that is 30. So you can either use A of 2 to print the value 30, or you can use star p plus 2 to print the value 30. Okay, so star p plus I is equal to A of 2. Both are same. Now we are going to see how to access array element using pointers. See, now A of I, as I told in the previous example, A of 2 means it will retrieve the value stored in the address. Value stored in that second position. Similarly, we can use it, you can access the element using A of I, or you can use star A plus I, or instead you can use 2 of A, that also it works. So A of 2 is equal to, if you use any one of this, you will get the same result. Okay, here A of 5, we have an array of 5 elements, and A of 0, you can use either A of 0. What does A of 0 print? 10. Or you can use A plus 0, that means base address plus first position. So base address, if it is 1000, plus 0, that is it points to this. As we are giving star to it, it will print the value 10. Or you can give I of A. I of A is 0 of I of A is 0 of A, 10. So all these three notations will give you the same answer. A of 1 is 20. This point, first position 20. Okay, 1 of A also 20. Or A plus 1. A plus 1 means it points to this address, and as you use a star, it will give you this value. Okay, I'll explain this with an example. Now see here, we have an array and pointer. Okay, see, p is equal to, what we are printing? P is a pointer, as I told. One second. P is a pointer, as I told. So we are printing P, that is, if we print simply P, it will give you the address, and if we give star P, it will give you the value stored in the address 10. Okay, next is p plus 1, that points to the next element, address. 20th address it points. Okay, the element where the 20 is to that address is pointed. See, from here you have 0 and here you have 4, that means 4 bytes, next 4th byte. Okay, so in that p plus 1 it prints just the address, p plus 1 it prints just the address, and star p plus 1 it prints the value stored in it. Similarly, p plus 2 is the address and star p plus 2 is value. So here 0, 4 and 8. This has to be noted very carefully, 0, 4 and 8. Similarly, here a of I and I of a both are same, and a plus 8 will give you the address and star a plus 8 will give you the value. You can see here a of 0 is 10, and if you give just a plus 0 it gives you the address. As you given the star it gives you the value. Okay, so if you have any doubts kindly comment, I'll explain in the next video.